Senate is under attack, was under attack. Your lives were in danger. We, di nga.
Sorry but I don't think there's any question. The Senate is under attack, was under attack. All of you, your lives were in danger last night.
Kung under attack kayo, bakit kayo ang unang nagpaputok? Kung under attack kayo, bakit lilima lang ang shots ng NBI at 27 shots naman ang sa inyo? Bakit kung under attack kayo, wala nang mga NBI agents doon, nagpapaputok pa rin kayo? And lastly, kung under attack kayo, bakit marami kayong shots na pataas? Paki-explain, yan ba ang under attack? Di ba ang under attack ay dapat nasa defensive, hindi offensive? And lastly, sana, bakit hindi nyo muna tinanong ang GSIS bakit may mga nagdi-drill at bakit merong NBI doon? Diba?